In this tutorial, I will show you how to resize image in Adobe Photoshop without losing quality. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Go to the File menu, click Open. Select your image, click Open. Now, look the Layer panel, right-click on the image layer, choose Convert to Smart Object. This step is very important. Next, go to the top menu, click Image. Then, click Image Size. The image size window will open. Make sure Resample is turned on. From the drop-down menu, select Preset Details 2.0. Now, change the width and height if you need it. For resolution, use 72 dpi for the web and social media. Use 300 ppi for print. Resize the image gently. Do not reduce the size too much at once. When finished, click OK. If the image looks soft, go to the filter, then go to the sharpen. Select Smart Sharpen. Apply a small amount. Do not over sharpen. Finally, go to the file, click Export. Choose Export As. Select JPG for web use. Select PNG for transparent background. Click Export. That's it. If you enjoyed this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphic solution trick channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.